I think we're making progress every day. We're learning more and we're getting more comfortable with each other, and I think we've made a lot of good progress this spring so far.
What do you feel like the most progress has been made from day one of spring ball to now?
I think comfortability within the offense. I think we all know what we're doing now. The first couple of days, it's always tough. Guys running everywhere, but I think we've done a good job of knowing where guys are going and what plays we'll run.
Just what were your impressions of your performance and the team as a whole during the second scrimmage?
As a team as a whole, I thought we did a lot of good stuff near the end. I think we started slow again, but we picked it up, and that's something that looks good.
Starting slow is something that was kind of an issue all last year in terms of the first couple drives of the game, you guys getting out of the gate a little slow. Are there things you guys can work on this year? It's a whole new staff, whole new offense that can kind of alleviate some, get out to faster starts at all?
For sure, I think there is. Whether I know it now, probably not, but I think there are things that the coaches know, and they'll get us to it.
There's been talk about maybe not having to win the spring, but you guys will win fall. That's where you guys make the most of the emphasis on. How do you feel like you guys are reacting in spring right now?
I think it's gone really well so far. I think everyone's had a lot of good energy. I think everyone's taking it really seriously, and we've made a lot of improvement this spring. So I think we've done a good job this spring.
Where's your biggest growth been this spring, you feel like?
I think footwork, not bouncing up and down every time I drop back. My footwork, I used to step back too far with my right foot, and it caused some issues. So Coach DeRoy and I have been working on
Go! and take this question, put it down for the power of rap. And if you get
the butterfly dough, I ride real slow, no need to speed. Gotta make sure you see the bullets on my feet. The feeds on the tree, with hell, I know.
You got the key to the feed, I got the key to the war zone. You got the key to the big. Like Turner with the left hand, Griselda Blanco with the trap move.